We know that a lot of you are big fans of our calculations feature, and we're happy to say that we've taken it a step further to make it even better than before. I'm Daisy with WPForms, and today I'm excited to announce our newest feature, AI Calculations. You can leverage the power of WPForms AI and create anything from simple to complex calculations, all by writing in a prompt and letting the AI assistant take care of the rest for you. Let's say that you want your form to automatically calculate and add on sales tax for your items, and the sales tax will vary based on the location a user chooses. Instead of manually writing out the formula yourself, you can simply click on the new Generate Formula button and enter a prompt. In my case, I've already added a list of locations, but I want the AI to generate sales tax for each one. Then create a formula that will automatically add the sales tax of each location to whatever item the user chooses and display it in the grand total in the total field. The AI has now generated a formula for the total I want to calculate, so I can click on the Insert Formula button. Once it's in the formula text box, I can click on the Validate Formula link, and once the green check mark appears, we're all set to test it out. And as you can see, the form now generates sales tax based on the location selected, adds it to the item price, and gives a grand total at the bottom of the form, and all without me having to write the formula out myself. We're very excited to add AI calculations to our WPForms AI arsenal so we can continue to help our customers succeed and make creating powerful contact forms even easier than before. I'm Daisy with WPForms. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.